Hello YouTube, this is Utility Tech. Welcome to my review of the Taihao Cubic Profile Keycap set that I bought from Massdrop. This is the Miami Punch version. This set cost me $30 or approximately 2100 Indian rupees. The full set consists of 113 keycaps. We get some blank keycaps and some novelty keycaps as bonus. There is no support for the ISO layout or for the big enter key layout. I have used the escape cap for the backspace and the Massdrop novelty keycap for the backslash. The keycaps are made of double shot ABS plastic. The thickness is around 1.4 millimeters and they are pretty good. You can also notice that the side walls of the keycaps are thicker compared to the top and the bottom walls of the keycaps. Let's talk about the font used on the keycaps. The photos on the Massdrop page do not do justice. The font on the alphas is excellent. Especially for a person like me who does not touch type, the font is, dare I say, perfect and soothing to the eyes. The keycaps are not smooth as the usual ABS ones, and one can easily mistake them to be made of PBT plastic. I really like the texture of the keycaps while typing. The combination of the red and grey font on the modifiers is okay. Black would have been better instead of the dark red or purple used here. The pink keycaps with silver are the worst. They could have simply gone with the black font. That would have looked much better. The numpad keycaps are nice. If you look at the number 8 keycap, one can notice that the text is thicker than the other keycaps. This thickness of the font on the other keycaps, other than the alphas, would have been perfect. Finally, let's talk about the profile of these keycaps, which was the main reason that I ordered them. They look like a hybrid of the Cherry and the OEM profiles. Here is a comparison of the different profiles. I really like this profile. The surface at the top of these keycaps seems to be slightly larger than the Cherry or the OEM keycaps. The scoop in the keycaps is gentle and I have really become a fan of this. I would not mind them being taller and the keycaps themselves being slightly thicker. That would make this keycap set perfect for me. All in all, this is a great keycap set. This has definitely brought to life my very drab looking TVS Gold keyboard. If you are in the market looking for a new keycap set, then this profile is definitely worth trying.